Yeah, hello everyone. And today's video, I just want to give a quick summary of what this public notice is all about. Okay, so the name of this article is titled "Kringle Private Society: The Billion Coin: A Global Sharing and Eleemosynary Society." Okay, public announcement, October 1st, 2018. Okay, you can go on Google and search for what Eleemosynary Society means. Okay, I won't spend my time to do that. So when you get the meaning, you probably understand what it means. Okay, all right. So there's a lot of write-up here. I don't know whether to read all of this, but I'm just going to focus on the main points that define the TBC, okay, for the point of achieving clarity. Just go straight to those points, okay. All right, and I'm going to read it one by one. So the first one says the TBC community was founded as a private society and a private contract association and continues as such to this day. It will always be defined exactly by these two phrases. A private society is not incorporated in any jurisdiction and is established upon the right of all people to have and express the paramount right of self-determination and private association. As an unincorporated body politic, we do not derive our existence from an external authorization, but by the will and intent of the members of the society. At the same time, we honor and respect the laws of all nations and do not encourage any member to do otherwise. It is of the highest importance in our principles of association that we remain in honor and peace with all people and all nations. Our society is founded upon a mission purpose with stated principles. This mission purpose will soon be formally defined in a published mission statement, while at the same time, since our inception, we have put forward the principles that in fact define our mission and purpose in various written presentations, both public and private. The mission and principles are simple and pure. We are here to provide the people of the world a tool to alleviate all poverty and suffering for all people. This tool puts into the hands of the people the right of self-empowerment. A private contract association is a group of people who come together to form a mutual basis of association, a mutual benefit society in which all benefit from the structure, tools, and principles of the society accrue to and are shared by all members. A private society and private contract association styled as a mutual benefit society is not owned by any individual. They exist by the will of the members and are established on the basis of privately contracting to an agreed upon set of rules and activities. These rules have already been clear since our beginning as to what is required to be a member of our society and association in good standing. As a member in good standing, one has the benefit of using the billion coin and the Kringle currency as a private medium of exchange. One of our mistakes was naming the currency as a form of money, which we now realize is not accurate, and this will soon be corrected. The term money carries certain legal definitions and implications. Thus, by this announcement, we are making it clear that any of all use of terms such as money, dollar, euro, or other similar words and references was done in error and mistake. We therefore hereby issue our formal apology and declaration of intent to correct such mistakes forthwith and with the utmost expediency possible. TBC and Kringle are not commercial instruments or negotiable paper, as those terms are defined in domestic and international legal systems. Any implications, reference, or aspersions to the contrary were done in error, and again, we apologize for any misunderstanding or confusion caused by our inaccurate use of language, all of which will soon be corrected on our website and any other materials available, either public or private. TBC and Kringle are not in any way a security instrument. They do not secure any interest in any intrinsic value, commodity, asset, or account. They are privately issued medium of exchange available only to members of a private mission society and private contract association, pursuant to and according to its private rules of membership and participation. The inherent value that they represent is only the life force and spiritual value of our private society members. We are a global sharing and eleemosynary society. The sharing is derived by the private contract agreement to share our value and life force with each other for mutual support and benefit. TBC and Kringle are a private currency, which means it is designed to flow through a channel, much like a river has a current and flows through its course, or electricity has current that flows through wires that provide the value of kinetic work to light our homes and run our factories. We share the common purpose and value of using our life force as a current that flows through the course of our system, which is made up of living men, women, and children. Eleemosynary means charitable, and we define our society as such because we believe in the true charity of kindness, giving, sharing, and supporting lives of integrity and respect as we all work together to build this global community. We are providing true giving and sharing for all who participate. Any use or reference to commercial terms. Any use or reference to commercial terms. Any use or reference to commercial terms or comparative value ratios against national currencies or precious metals is only for comparative purposes and does not impute any direct or secured relationship to such instruments or assets. Any misconstruction of this in the past was done by mistake and error, for which we apologize and shall rapidly correct as stated herein. Any reference that TBC or Kringle is a medium of investment is entirely inaccurate. And once again, any language in previous materials, websites, or presentations that may have engendered such mistaken inferences shall be corrected. Any statements that our private medium of exchange carried fungible potential with public currencies was never inferred or intended. Henceforth, we shall use the formal names of our organization as the Kringle Private Society and the TBC Private Contract Association. Our mission statement and related materials to this effect will be forthcoming and made available to the public via our two official websites. We do not accept any misconstruction of our society, purpose, principles, or association that might be found on any other public medium, that is YouTube, social media platforms, individual websites. Only formally authorized material shall henceforth be considered acceptable to represent these entities, and as such materials will always be issued under the formal seal of the society, which is currently being developed and will soon be announced on our website. Upon such announcement, all materials, brochures, publicly accessible web pages, or any other medium of communication will display the seal, and only the TBC administrative team shall be authorized to use said seal. In the near future, articles of association will be published for private contract association. All current and future members will be required to electronically sign and accept the articles in order to continue with the membership. These articles will comprise the contractual basis of our association, thus fulfilling the requirements of a private contract association. These articles will contain already existing rules of membership with the addition of a few required stipulations to properly reflect the information presented in this announcement. As a private society, the Kringle Private Society has full authority to create its own form of governance, law firm, court, and private treasury. This will be established to better serve and protect the interests of our members, and will be available to every member of the settlement for the settlement of disputes and other such principles of a balanced society of men, women, and children. It will take time to properly fulfill these requirements, and all members will be kept informed as to the progress thereof. We request the understanding and patience of our members in this process. Our purpose and mission includes education of our members so that they grow into properly informed and intelligent members of the society and the larger world society of our respective countries and the world as a whole. In months to come, we shall be implementing tools for such education so that our members can be successful with TBC and Kringle and understand how to use it for their benefit and mutual benefit of all of our members. Within such education, some of the terms and points contained in this announcement and in future materials will be clarified so that we proceed forward together as a well-educated body politic of competent and educated people that are here in association and that are here in association to benefit ourselves, the communities and nations in which we live, work, and the world as a whole. The only value that TBC and Kringle carry is that of the mutual benefit confidence of our private members. We hold the value of every human being on this planet to be of highest order pursuant to our privately held beliefs and conscience. All of our members comprise the collective value of our society as an ecclesia defined as the body of the congregation that is the living body of our congregation together. We are a non-denomination and non-hierarchical body of living beings. This is the definition of a body politic. Thus, we consider our society to be an ecclesiastical body politic, immune from the public, commercial, and corporate jurisdictional authorities of constituted national body politic. We do not ascribe to any given region, part, or any other denomination of belief or creed, while at the same time we support all of our members in the pursuit of their own right of self-determination to uphold individual beliefs and modes of living through private and personal conscience. The only exclusion to this principle is against those who use our society to promote violence or harm to others. This includes an absolute forbiddance of any illicit use of our private medium of exchange in any manner that take advantage of another or to transgress the domestic laws of the nations in which one lives. We are here to promote peace and prosperity for all human beings and all living things in this world. The Kringle Society has been established in conformity and in alignment with the Pantera Doro Private Society. All records of the Kringle Private Society are secured and held in the private permanent archival system of records of the Pantera Doro Society Court of Ecclesia. We are in full alignment with the globally published Declaration of Intention of the Pantera Doro Private Society and formally adopt the principles contained herein. As a member of the Pantera Doro Private Society, we are aligned with and included therein in the formal announcement to all world administrative bodies and the offer of treaty of peace and cessation of hostilities presented to the Holy See via the Nuncio of Washington District of Columbia. We are at peace with public entities and institutions worldwide, neutral in the public and proceeding in peaceful harmony, and committee with all agencies, departments, authorities of any or all public entities of national character. Henceforth, all public communication shall be under the seal of the Kringle Private Society and International Flag of Peace. To all of our current members, please be patient as we undertake the necessary changes as described in this announcement. We will have abundant details ready to provide within our private member enclosures in weeks and months to come. The changes being undertaken will assure a stronger and more resilient membership for all of us for the fulfillment of our mission and prosperity of all. Thank you for your patience and consideration and continuing support. All right, so guys, this is, I hope you guys get this point, though I'm going to do a different video, a separate video to highlight what this actually, to the common man, to understand what the whole write-up is all about, okay, which I will demonstrate using my whiteboard. All right, so let me just read this last place and that will conclude it, okay, this final place. So I'll just stop right here, okay, I'll stop right here. Okay, so finally we wish to address something that is currently in progress with respect to an inquiry being conducted by the Security Exchange Commission of the United States. Some of our members are aware of this, but most are not. So thus we want to clear and above board on this point so that all are aware of the situation and understand it properly. This inquiry is a legal process by an authorized government agency. We understand that this is being done with most or all crypto and digital currencies. If any currency is in fact structured or promoted as a security, as such will be defined by United States law. As we all know, many new currencies, coins and tokens are being created now and have been for several years through a type of offering known as initial coin offering. This is of course similar to what occurs when a private company decides to take a corporation public by contracting with a market maker to underwrite an initial public offering. So obviously there are similarities in language and function. An IPO sells stock in a company that is backed by the assets of the corporation and is promoted on the basis of future earnings. This secures the shares of stock by the assets and thus is a security within the scope of U.S. law, and SEC has jurisdiction over such securities to regulate and control them within the public market. That agency is called Security Exchange Commission because it regulates and oversees the ongoing exchange of securities through normal market functions. When ICOs first came out, they offered coins or tokens for cash, usually denominated in United States dollars, over which the United States and its agencies have jurisdiction. The coins issued were secured against the cash raised by the offering and oftentimes by an asset base, such as real estate, that were explicitly stated to back the coin. This then became a form of security, and thus SEC has been investigating many of these coins to determine whether they are a security or not. If so, to bring them into the regulatory environment of their jurisdiction. So guys, I think this makes sense. Okay, it's clear. This is to the reason the TBC admin also cleared this out is to show that we are different from any cryptocurrency that is doing initial coin offering. TBC has never done an initial coin offering, okay, and we are not a security. So I guess that's it for this video. You can go and read up the rest, okay, but subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe to my channel if you actually want to watch the full video on how the full video that explains this, okay, that explains it, this whole write-up in a layman's term. All right. So to your current awareness, you can also be kind enough to visit these websites listed here by the TBC admin. Okay. It will also give you an idea of where we are in the body when it comes to entities. Okay. So to your current awareness, take care and bye for now.